Hi, second grade. All right, we're going to go ahead and do worksheet number 69, and these are suffixes, let or let, and then ly or lee. Okay? All right, first thing is you need to know what these two suffixes, the endings, mean. So let is something that's kind of like little like that. Let's write that up there, little. And then ly, if something has ly at the end, just means it like has that quality. So I'm gonna write quality. Okay, so you'll see like if you said happily, someone did something in a happy way. Or like this one, it could be like a piglet. It's like a little pig, right? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and say these and then go ahead and say them with me. Flatly, starlet, neatly, softly, proudly, cutlet, crisply, piglet. Okay, so you see these suffixes, they're both boxed in. So the first thing you're going to do today is look at any of the suffixes because they mean something. It's not a word, but it means something. So let means little, ly means quality. So look at this flatly, box it in. And what does that just mean? What does that word flatly mean? So it means quality. So the quality of flat, right? Flatly, like this paper has a flatly surface. It's flat. Okay. All right, and then you keep coding it, just a short A. Okay. Number 2 is starlet. So first thing you're going to do is just box it in. Starlet. So something little. It's like a little star. Specifically, a starlet is like someone who's in movies or something, and they're young. So they're a young star, basically. Okay, and then we just have the AR combination there. So we combine those. Okay, number 3 is neatly. Box in the ending there. So it has the quality of something being neat. Like I neatly wrote, my letters up here neatly. And then we have to code our EA. This is long. And then no A sound. Neatly. Number 4, softly. Box in the end. And then we have a short O. Okay, number 5 is proudly. It's ending. Okay, we have ow. So that is a diphthong. So we combine those. Proudly. Proudly. Number 6 is cutlet. It's a K there. We'll do the ending. So let, box in the ending. Okay, K back the C, and then short U. Number 7, crisply. So box in the ending. Crisply is like, something that's kind of fresh, got a crunch to it. Maybe like a celery stalk has a crisply crunch. Okay. All right, and we have a K sound right there, and then an I that's short. Okay, number 8 is piglet. Box in the end, and then I is short. All right, now the bottom part is pretty fun. Okay, these are what we call analogies. So you don't have to write this, but so analogy is something that compares. Okay, so we have these things down here, 9 through 14. They're little sentences, and we'll read them together, and you'll see one comparison in the front, and you'll see another comparison at the end of the sentence. Okay, so here's the first one. It says, well, let's read the words up here first. So we have foot, cold, leg, egg, cloth, and round. Okay, so the first one over here, number 9, is box is to square as sun is to blank. So we're going to look up here which of these words makes the most sense. So you're probably going, well, I'm confused. Go back to this. Box is to a square. So they're saying like a box that you put things in is to a shape, right? Box is to a square. And then the sun is to what's a shape? Because that's a shape too. Sun is to what shape? Foot, cold, leg, egg, cloth, round. Round, right? Because the sun is round. So you put round in there. Okay? Let's go ahead and, because we know that one, let's just go ahead and cross it out nice and simple. You don't have to scribble or anything. Number 10 says, sun is to hot as ice is to blank. So let's look at this again. Sun, hot, so it's comparing sun to a temperature. Ice is to temperature. What's the temperature? Foot, cold, leg, egg, cloth. Well, cold, right? Cold. Okay, number 11 says finger is to hand as foot is to what? Hopefully you said leg. Leg. Good. Because finger is a part of your hand, foot is part of your leg. Number 12, window is to glass as dress is to what? So window is made of glass, dress is made of cloth. Good. Cloth. Number 13, crust is to bread as shell is to, so crust is made from bread, shell is made egg. Okay, and then number 14, ring is to finger as sock is to foot. It goes on your foot. Okay, good. So don't forget analogies. All these they're showing comparisons, meaning you're comparing them. So there's going to be one thing right here. It's right there. And then you have another thing right here. So you've got one comparison, two. So you're comparing this one thing to the other thing. Okay. All right. That is your worksheet 69. Go ahead and turn it over for your homework.